In this video, I'll show you how to create promo code in OneXBet. This is very easy. Subscribe to the YouTube channel if you find this video helpful. Before we continue, I want to show you how to create a professional OneXBet account. To do that, click on registration, take the third option. Fill in your details correctly from your surname right down to your password. In the promo code box, you're going to use the promo code LEOTV. If you use the promo code LEOTV, OneXBet is going to give you a 300% bonus on your first deposit. This means if you deposit $100, you're going to receive $300. Once you're done, click on these three boxes and register your account. Now, let's continue. So to create promo code in OneXBet, what you have to do is to come over to your menu and scroll down to where you have promo codes. So here, this is where you create your promo codes, and to do that, you have to have points. The only way to have points is to keep on playing on OneXBet. Once you play on OneXBet a lot, you are going to receive points, which you can click on Get Promo Points. Once that's done, they are going to give you a promo point. And to see a promo point, just come over here. You're going to see your codes which you can use. So for now, I don't have points, so I cannot create any code. If you have points, just click on Get Promo Points, and they're going to give you codes that you can use and bet for free. I can subscribe to YouTube channel for more important videos like this.